Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a simple beautiful flower design. So let's start. These are the threads that I have used. The simple stitches used here are stem stitch for giving the borders and satin stitch for filling work. Let's do the filling work with satin stitch. Satin stitch is a series of straight stitches that are used for filling or covering a section of the background fabric. Here I have used 6 strands of thread to get a textured look. Lesser the strands, smoother will be the design. So it's all depends on your choice and your convenience of how you want your design to be, and according to that, choose the number of strands. I hope you liked the video, so please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to give your suggestions. Thank you.